Cross-network search. So let's open the Shaffer tool. Normally, the Shaffer will discover the VivoTech devices according to the network configuration. That is, all the discovered devices are in the same local area network as my laptop. The IP starting with 10.42. Thus, I cannot just find the device in another network. So to do that, I'll need to click on the button, Search with IP range, and I'll put the specific IP range. Then the Shaffer will do the device discovery based on this IP range. Then finally, I can get the camera device, which is in different network from my laptop. As you can see, this camera IP starts with 192.168. Alright, that's the short demonstration for the Shaffer's cross-network search. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much.